Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel BD Technical Hasib. So friends, today I will review and discuss about Columbus platform. So friends, today I will review on the most strongest and most interesting platform. So friends, this is a promising platform. I hope so friends. This is a legit project at the present time. So friends, this project all links in my video description. Please check my video description obviously. So friends, look at this. The light of the sun is the future of crypto discoveries. So friends, look at this, their white paper. So friends, look at this, their white paper. Obviously you are download their white paper and know about something in this platform and know about their token. So friends, look at this, their social media links here. So friends, obviously you are join their social media link and know about some or know about something very fast. They are all update. So friends, look at this. So friends, look at this, the token sell. So friends, look at this, the token name of the Columbus and look at this, the token symbol CVS and their contract address here. Obviously that's it. So friends, look at this, the join and buy token now here and view on BSC scan here. Obviously click and show it. So friends, today I'll review this project, some features, some interesting features. So first, look at this. So why we invest in Columbus? So first, why you are invest here? So why you are invest? So first, look at this. The Columbus project look at solve this inherent problem associated with decentralized finance, and provide user with with a seamless and frictionless ecosystem where they can access various financial opportunity. So first, you are obviously look at this and know about something why you are invested here. So first, look at this, the Christopher Columbus. We have always believed that the path to wealth is a journey to find the best opportunity to open have to explore deep. So friends, obviously you are look at this, that Christopher Columbus said that. So friends, obviously you are read it. So friends, look at this is a decentralized exchange. So friends, look at this, the user can swap their BIP20 standard crypto token on the Voyager DEX by connecting their Web3 wallet. So friends, this is a decentralized exchange and look at this, their swap their token here. Look at this BIP20 standard crypto token. So friends, there are another great feature, keep liquidity mining. Look at this, the user can add liquidity to uh, exciting token pairs in the liquidity pool and earn passive income. So first, look at this here, liquidity mining, and you are earn their token in mining their token to mining. So first, dex aggregation, this is a great features. Obviously you are read it. So friends, look at this, the seller farms. So seller farms further incentivized user for providing liquidity to Columbus token, CVS token pair, as well as other token pairs. So friends, look at this, there are great features, seller farms here. So friends, obviously you are read it and know about something. So friends, look at this, the token markets, NFT marketplace. Obviously this is the great features introduced here. So friends, obviously you are read it. So first, look at this, user generate NFT, they are NFT market here. Obviously look at this, that we believe that NFTs on the mainstream platform should not be limited to just a few big players in the business. So first, look at this, the NFT generate NFT. So first, obviously you are read it. So first, NFT collection, user can sell NFT collection such as trading cards, uh, collectibles, and comic books, graphics novels on the platform. So friends, this feature is a specific specially especially and useful for comic artists looking to publish their books or comic strip and earn with their work. So first look at this, their Columbus wallet. The Columbus wallet is a multi-chain cryptocurrency wallet that lets you hold and transfer cryptocurrency from different blockchain. Obviously you are transfer their token another cryptocurrency. Obviously you are read it. So friends, look at this, the Voyager Dex module. So friends, Sailor Farms Chart, Treasure Cheat, Dev Explore. This is a great feature. Obviously you are read it. So friends, look at this, they are the tokenomics. So friends, look at this, the tokenomics, token name and symbol here. Look at this, the token name and symbol and blockchain, Binance Smart Chain, BIP20, total supply, a huge total supply, two token sale. Look at this 60%. And look at this, they are initial market cap. Look at this initial market cap and development, they are used 5%. And look at this, the farming, they are 25%. And the decimal is the 18. And soft cap, look at this, and hard cap, you are look at this. So friends, look at this, they are all team members, and obviously you are the look at this, the team member, and this is a great team member. I hope future the platform, obviously great chance to get profit generate, I hope. So friends, this is the roadmap. You are obviously read it and know about something, their roadmap. Obviously you are watch it and read it, obviously. So friends, look at this, their contract, how to your contract here. So friends, you are look at this, your name, email and your message here, and send message. Obviously you are send message, how to, look at this, there how to contact here. So friends, Columbus platform is a very legit platform. So friends, this platform I hope very interesting and very legit platform. So friends, this platform is a best platform right now. So friends, this is very legit and powerful platform. This platform, all links in my video description, please check my video description. So friends, I hope we are very good profit generate future in this platform. So friends, thanks for watching, thanks a lot.